Right, we've got David's box plot, 5-number summary drawn as a box plot on in a cricket match, and then we've got Peter, who's done something similar. He's got a median score of 26 and so on. So as I work through this, I'm just going to add them to a new box plot, which I'll do in red, I think. So if a median score of 26, I can count along 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's in the right place. Okay, that's his median. A highest score of 39 is going to be here. A lowest score of 8 is going to be here. A lower quartile of 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's not forget, that's what, I didn't say this at the start, I probably should have. This is the minimum. Let's do it in a different color. Minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and the maximum. So I put all of these in. That lower quartile is sorted. We just need to work out what the upper quartile is. And then we have to do slightly bit more for that. The upper quartile minus the lower quartile gives me the interquartile range. That's the definition of the interquartile range. And so I can see the upper quartile is going to equal 18, the interquartile range, plus the lower quartile. So I get 32. I just have to do an extra little calculation to get that. And there we go, 32. I can now join this up. And I've got a box plot for Peter. It shows his scores using his 5-number summary. Brilliant. Decide whether David or Peter best satisfies each of these questions and give a reason. Who scored more runs on average? Well, I can see that Peter's box plot's basically shifted to the right. He's got a higher maximum, he's got a higher upper quartile, he's got a higher median, everything is higher. And so who scored more runs on average? Peter, because, okay, it does say on average as well, because his median is higher. So I'm just going to refer to that one, is higher. Whose scores were more consistent? Well, that's going to be David. Basically, 50% of his runs are in this smaller box as opposed to Peter's smaller one. So I would say David, because his interquartile, actually their ranges are not that different, but the interquartile range is much smaller for David. So whose scores are more consistent? David, because his interquartile range, I'm going to abbreviate it, is lower. Okay, nice one.